Hi everyone, I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, night, whatever it may be. And today it's going to be a little bit of a different video. As you can see with the title, it's going to be a get ready with me video. And it's pretty much going to be just makeup and hair. As for the complete outfit, you'll be able to see it in a separate, different video. I'm still like in my lounging shirt because I'm not yet done. I just have to get dressed and then that's about it. I'm on the go. But I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me video. I did kind of cut pieces here and there just because I didn't want to make it extremely long. So it's not a like talk through video. It's gonna be kind of like a just get ready with me with music, fast paced or fast moving video, whatever you call that, fast forward, and kind of little clips of here and there. If you guys want to see like a full-on tutorial of what I'm doing, and let me know. I will also be bringing to you guys a how to get your sleek straight hair, the best way, the method that I use to get my hair super straight. As you can see from the video, as you'll be able to see from the video, my hair is not at all this straight, but the method that I have been using has actually left my hair just looking very shiny, very sleek, very straight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Despite the loss, I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow me, I want. Sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, oh, I'll never get tired. Just one round lost. I'm over here, cross. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow me, I want. Sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, oh, I'll never get tired. Just one last night I really